Safety forms a crucial part of your everyday operations, but choosing safety doesn't have to be complicated. It starts with understanding your options and the level of protection your environment needs. Car parking and traffic control can pose many unique challenges. With over 20 years of experience in providing traffic management across some of Australia's toughest sites, Barrier Group is the go-to leader for end-to-end traffic management solution fit-outs. Barrier Group's turnkey traffic management solutions offer a diverse selection of car park safety and vehicle control products ranging from speed humps and wheel stops to directional signage, height bars, marking dots and lane separators, all addressing some of the key safety challenges faced by operators that require effective traffic management control. From logistics and distribution centres, shopping malls, retail establishments and recreational car parks, our turnkey traffic management safety solutions are the #1 way to take control of your vehicle safety. Get in touch with a Barrier Group expert today. Give us a call or head to our website at barriergroup.com.au.